children, class 9. We are discussing chapter 6, lines and angles. Yesterday we have solved or we have proved two theorems. One is angle sum property of a triangle, that is sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and a second one we have proved the theorem, that is in a triangle exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So using these two theorem, today we have to solve this problem. Example 7. See, given in figure, what is the figure? Figure is this one. PQR is a triangle. If QT perpendicular to PR, QT perpendicular to PR, you see this is QT perpendicular to PR. This is a perpendicular, means this is your how much? 90 degree perpendicular to PR. Angle TQR 40 degree. Where is TQR? TQR. Means this angle is 40 degree. And SPR 30 degree. SPR. SPR. This angle is 30 degree. Find X and Y. Where is X? X is this one R. And Y is this one. This angle name is PSQY. You have to find this and this. Understood the question? Yes or no? Now you see, look here in this figure. TQR is a triangle. TQR. This is a triangle or not? This is a triangle. So in this triangle TQR, this is 90 degree. This is 40 degree. Means in a triangle TQR, two angles are given, 190 and another is 40. So you have to find this angle. How to find this one? Then that is the theorem. Angles of property of a triangle. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So therefore I have written here, you see, in triangle TQR, in triangle TQR, in triangle TQR, angle T is which one? This one. Angle T plus angle TQR, this angle, plus R means this one, and this or this, the three angles, 180 degree. Reason by angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, so therefore in place of a T, what you can write in place of T? See the figure. In place of T, what you write? 90. So 90 plus TQR. TQR you see, TQR 40 degree plus 40 plus R is equal to X is equal to 180 degree. So that implies 90 plus 40, 130 plus X is equal to 180. So that implies X is equal to, X is equal to how much? Now 180 minus 130 plus 130, this side will go to their side, is equal to 50 degree. So we have got X equal to 50 degree. Question asks find X, so X we have got 50 degree. Now to find Y. Where is Y? You see the figure here, Y is this one. So you see, again I will use the theorem. Which theorem? Now exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Now you see, this is a triangle, PSR. This is a triangle or not? PSR is a triangle, this is a triangle. Yes or no? This is a triangle. And this one is the exterior angle of a triangle PSR. Understanding? This is a triangle. This is the triangle PSR, and a PSQ is the exterior angle, just like this is a triangle and this is the exterior angle of triangle. So this is the exterior angle. So exterior angle PSQ is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Means this angle is equal to angle P, means this angle plus this angle, sum of these two interior opposite angles. Yes or no? So I have written here again in triangle PSR. See here, PSR, PSQ is the exterior angle. PSQ is the exterior angle. PSQ is the exterior angle. Now PSQ is equal to, what is PSQ? Now this angle PSQ is equal to SPR plus PRS, this plus this plus PRS. Okay, but SPR how much? SPR 30 degree given, 30 degree. I have written here SPR is equal to 30 degree. Yes, here PRS is equal to X, but X value we have calculated X equal how 50. So PSR 50, 30 plus 50 is equal to 180. So 180 means this Y will be the extra angle. Y will be how much? 80 degree, because 30 plus 50 is equal to 80 degree. So reason why now exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Therefore, what PS2? What is PS2? Now PS2 is Y, written Y. So therefore Y is equal to 80 degree. Understood? So X is equal to 50 degree and Y is equal to 80 degree. Only the two theorems we have used. One is the angles of property of a triangle, and second one is the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Understood? Okay.